Isa to sa mga sikat na Taiwan dessert na finally meron na rin sa Pilipinas. Bestseller talaga nila dito yung snow ice. Smooth shave ice yan, light and flaky, and then hindi OA matamis. Yung chocolate overload nila, ito maraming toppings. Mango summer fling nila, ito masarap. Refreshing yung lasa, and then nagustuhan ko kasi may real mango cubes yan. Meron na rin silang ube halo-halo. Maraming sahog yan, pati bobo pearls meron. Lasang-lasang may ube taste, thick and smooth yung ice niya. Dito lang yan sa Cold Layers Cafe. Nasa level 3 lang sila ng Fisher Mall, Quezon City. Ang dami nilang promos dito and pwede mo pa i-rent yung place for events. Sa snacks, trinay namin yung Taiwan chicken chops. Ito crunchy siya, lasa mo yung Taiwan spice. Medyo maalat lang ng konti. Potato wedges, ito good choice. Mojo vibes yan, maraming serving, may kasamang cheese sauce na. Ito surprisingly good, yung pesto pasta nila. Sagana sa parmesan, al dente yung pasta, and fresh yung lasa ng basil. For rice meal, bangus silog standard. Nice kasi malaking cut ng isda, tapos marinated at saka well seasoned. Pork chop rice, masarap and mabuttery yung gravy sauce. Panalo. Saktong tender yung pork chop, may rice at saka corn na. For drinks, winter melon tea nila standard yung lasa. Yakult blend, ito refreshing and perfect yung popping pearls na kasama. May mix and match na rin sila if ma-milk tea kayo at saka snack.